Hi, welcome to today's tutorial. I'm going to show you how to make this insert using Canva. So basically, we'll go to Canva, new screen, choose custom dimensions. And since the TN standard size is 110 millimeters by 210 millimeters, which in inches is just 4.33 by 8.25, I'm going to enter double the width because I want 2 pages. So I'll enter 220, height the same, hit 210, then click on design. So basically it's opened up a square that's going to be the size of the TN insert unfolded. So I'm going to choose a photo grid like this with the 2 split pages showing in the 2 grids. I'm going to go to uploads and choose this image to put in the background on one side, click it again to put it on the other side. I'm going to change the transparency. That should be okay, about 37. And now I'm going to use those same templates that I used before for the Happy Planner inserts, but I just resized them to be the size of a TN insert. So I'll click on the right side, and put that in. Click on the left side and put that in. And now I will zoom in a little bit, enter in some text for the days of the week, just to show you. So I clicked on the text, chose the option that said add a little bit of body text. I'll click and drag that up here. Click on that and enter this little abbreviation for the days of the week. And I will resize this by shrinking, just clicking on the little half circle icon and pulling it in. And then I will click until I have that little 4 arrow icon and pull it up here. Change the size so that it kind of fits better. Right, once I have that done, I can copy it. So I'll go over here, click on copy, and move this one up to this square. Click within the box and change that. So basically, you get the idea. If you don't want to do them one at a time, you can click on the first one. Click on Shift. At the same time while you're clicking Shift, you're going to click on your mouse and click on the second box. So with both of them selected, you're going to click on Copy. Now you have 2. So you can move that right over here and just like a little shortcut to change the days of the week. So if I wanted to, I can still change the transparency if it's maybe too dark. Let's say you want to write and you want the ink to show up more. You can go to transparency. I have to click on the outside. There. I can tell that I'm on the outside now because I have the little dotted lines going all around the box. Before, when I clicked on here, it was just selecting the template. So if I come down here and then click like anywhere in the white area, you can see the little dotted lines are going all around the larger square. So I'll click on transparency, move the slider down, about 26. So that gives you like a nice pale surface that you can write on. So from here, we can just download it as a PDF print with the crop marks on it. That'll just make it easier when you want to cut it out. Click on download. You could also, I guess, save it as a JPEG if you wanted to do digital planning. But if you wanted to print it out and actually do like physical planning where you can write on it, you'll want to download it as a PDF. So when we click on the PDF, you can see our image is there. And when I click to print it, I can choose adjust the size to the page, and that'll be the image that I'm going to cut out once it's printed. So which is the same as what you see here. So I hope you enjoyed that. Let me know what you think, and if you have any suggestions for other tutorials, go ahead and let me know. I'm always happy to hear new ideas. So take a look, let me know what you think, and leave me your comment.